Hi everybody, so I'm here today to show you the fastest way to make tuna fish, delicious tuna fish, just like they do at those super sub places. I mean, we don't do it the way your mother used to do it, in a bowl and mix it all up. We don't do that. Very easy, just get a piece of bread, slice it open, then you get some mayonnaise. Today's mayonnaise, you just squirt it on somehow. Let's see what this looks like. There you go. I never used this before either, but anyway. Come on, you. Let's see how fast you are. I think that's enough. Grab your tuna fish, cut it up little bits like that, and then you just cake it right in there. Boy, my mouth is watering already. Good tuna fish. Solid tuna, not the chunk light. Good. There you go, great. Break that up a little bit. Perfect. Add a little salt and pepper. Here we go. Just like that. A little bit of salt. Onions. We have onions. Let's see what we got here. Very nice. That's all you need. I mean, you know, people might come close to you, so you don't want to put too much. Good. Okay. Always nice to have a pickle. A couple of these. Today you get to see a chef at work. Celery in there. Get that out of there. Get the ends off of it. This is big washed. Nice and crunchy, you know. I'll save this for my dog. Put some little bit of that on there. Take a sip of this. Lettuce. Just like that. And away you go. Dress it up with a couple of tomatoes. Couple of olives, and you're on your way to eating like a champ. Good. Thank you. We'll see you for dinner.